Now let's go over multiplication using the standard algorithm. Find the product of 24 and 2. First step is to write the number in the columns. 24 consists of 20 plus 4, so it has 2 10s and 4 1s. And then 2 just consists of 2 1s. Next, multiply the ones digit by 2, or the 4 and the 2. And when we do that, we end up getting 8. Then multiply the tens digit by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. So the product of 24 and 2 is 48. Now let's multiply 16 times 4. Again, we'll line up 16 in the tens and ones column because 16 is 10 plus 6. So it has one set of 10 and 6 ones. And then we're multiplying it by 4, which only consists of 4 ones. Start by multiplying the ones. 4 times 6 is not a one-digit number, it's 24. And 24 consists of 2 10s and 4 1s. So we write down the 4 in the ones column and we carry the 2 to the tens column. This is also known as regrouping. Then we're going to multiply 4 to the number in the tens column that we have, 4 times 1, which is 4, and then add the 2 10s that we regrouped and brought over. So again, 1 times 4 is 4, plus 2 gives us 6. So therefore, the product of 16 and 4 is 64. Now let's try working on 2 really tricky problems with the standard algorithm. The first one is 4,219 times 3. Begin by first writing the numbers in each column. So we have 4,000s, 200s, 110, and 9 1s in 4,219. And we're multiplying that by 3. The first step is to multiply 3 times 9. Which is 27. Because this is the ones column, we're going to put the 7 down in the ones column, and we're going to carry the 2 over so that we can add it, or the 2 that represents 20, over into the tens column so that we can add it on later. So next we have 10 from 19, and we're multiplying that by 3. 10 times 3 is 30. And then we are adding 20 more to that, so that'll be 50. And 50 consists of 5 10s. So we just write a 5 in the tens column. We don't have to carry anything over for the next number. So next we have 3 times 2, or 3 times 200, which would be 600, so we can put a 6 in the hundreds place. And then we're going to multiply 3 times the 4,000, and we will get 12,000. So we will need to write 1 10,000 and 2 thousands in our final answer here, which is 12,657. Okay, the next question, we have 5,290, and we're multiplying that by 8. So first, let's start by multiplying the numbers in the ones column. 0 times 8 is 0. Easy enough. Now we're doing 90 times 8, which is 720, because 9 times 8 is 72. The 20 from 720 will be the 2 that's represented in the tens column, and there was 700. So we're going to carry that 7 over to the hundreds column so that we can regroup. Then we're going to do 200 times 8, which is 1,600. And then 1,600 plus 7 is 2,300. So we're going to write the 3 for the hundreds column in its place. And we're going to carry the 2 for the 2,000 that's being brought over. Because again, 200 times 8 was 1,600, plus 7 more is 2,300. So we put the 3 down in the hundreds place, and we are carrying and going to regroup the 2 into the thousands place. And now we're going to multiply 5,000 times 8, which is 40, and then we have 2 extra thousands. So we have 42,000 as the beginning numbers of our answer. And the final answer is 42,320.